Welcome to this video, where we challenge the assumption that AI access equals advantage. AI access is becoming common, and the advantage now belongs to organizations that can align AI with their mission, infrastructure, talent, and decision discipline. We must understand the three walls before building our business around AI. The historical wall: expectations outrun systemic readiness. The physical wall: the illusion of weightless software masks industrial infrastructure needs. The talent and governance wall: hollow adoption without decision discipline.
We have seen this pattern before with the hype to winter curve. The 1980s expert systems boom led to disillusionment when expectations exceeded system readiness. Today, Gen AI is at the peak of inflated expectations. The critical question is, will you fall into disillusionment or build the bridge to realism?
In the 1980s, the question was, can the technology do what was promised? Today, the question is, can the organization absorb what the technology can do? The bottleneck has shifted from technology to the organization's operating system, focusing on power, compute, and governance.
AI is digital at the point of use, but industrial at the point of production. The simple user interface relies on a deep physical stack: specialized chips, high-density data centers, massive cooling, and significant electricity demand. Strategic leaders must look beneath the interface and understand these dependencies. We must consider hidden infrastructure dependencies. These include power constraints, as electricity demand is projected to double by 2030, cloud constraints due to vendor capacity limits, and increased vulnerability from regional grid failures and cybersecurity complexity. I must be evaluated as infrastructure, not novelty. Value velocity, the target zone, occurs with high adoption and high organizational readiness. Avoid the danger zone of hollow adoption: high usage with low readiness, leading to confused workflows and unverified outputs. Value emerges when adoption is paired with disciplined readiness.
Hollow adoption happens through a loop. Ambiguous input leads to polished, flawed output. Automation bias and verification collapse follow, enabling decision laundering and false consensus. This results in accountability blur, where no one owns the final decision. AI without judgment accelerates confusion.
To achieve value velocity, three gears must align: mission outcome, physical capacity, the engine of power and infrastructure, and decision discipline, governance and verification. AI provides velocity, but leadership provides direction. Unaligned, AI creates noise, not strategic advantage.
The strategic course correction is doctrine before deployment. This involves 4 steps: define the mission outcome, map the physical dependencies, define decision rights, and audit data readiness. This sequence enforces operating discipline, separating advantage from mere experimentation.
Defining the human-AI boundary is critical. Use full automation for routine tasks, keep a human in the loop for verified outputs, and refuse to automate areas with legal, ethical, or high reputational exposure. Mature AI strategy includes restraint and asking not just where we can use AI, but where we must refuse to use it. The sequence to value is pilot, measure, govern, train, integrate, scale, and audit. Value comes from operating discipline, not scattered experimentation. Historical examples like DARPA DART show that disciplined application focused on a specific mission problem yields significant results.
The winners will not be the organizations that move the fastest, but the organizations that move fastest in the right direction. This requires disciplined speed. Align AI to mission, respect the physical infrastructure, and demand decision discipline. If we do this, AI becomes part of a stronger executive operating system.